लिए, अपनी कम्युनिटी को चेंज करने के लिए, उसमें बदलाव लाने के लिए अपने सपने को सच करने की सोचती है, अपने सपने को सच में बदलने का निर्णय लेती है।
First of all, I would like to thank Javed sir who gave me this opportunity to be a host. So I am the host for this evening. So a warm welcome to our motivational session. Today's speaker is Miss Harshita. Are you all excited for today's session? So a big round of applause for Harshita. Come on stage, please. We are happy to have you here with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, one and all present here. First of all, I would like to say thanks to the host for welcoming me on the stage and Mr. Javed sir for choosing me as today's motivational speaker. Today, I am going to tell you a motivational story of a girl. It is not just a story, but a motivation for you all. Let me know how many of you can guess my today's topic of the story. My topic is the power of perseverance. So, can anyone tell me what is the meaning of this little word? Can anyone tell me? So, let me tell you. So, the meaning of this little word is दृढ़ता की शक्ति। इसका मतलब, दृढ़ता की शक्ति का मतलब मजबूत सोच की ताकत। अब आप सोचेंगे कि मजबूत सोच मजबूत कैसे हो सकती है? वो तो ना जिम जाती है, ना किसी से लड़ती है, तो वो मजबूत कैसे है? मजबूत सोच का मतलब, मान लीजिए आपको कोई काम मिला है और आप लोगों ने ये सोच लिया है कि मुझे ये काम किसी भी हालत में करना है और मैं ये करके ही रहूंगा या रहूंगी, तो मुझे ये किसी भी हालत में काम करना है। आपकी इसी सोच को हम मजबूत सोच कहते हैं। तो आइए वापस बढ़ते हैं कहानी की ओर। So the story begins with a girl, Priya. Priya, a determined girl, always dreaming of becoming an IAS officer. Growing up in a small town, she saw firsthand the impact of good governance and the lack of it. She was inspired to make difference in her and decided to pursue her dream. प्रिया ही एक आईएएस को अपनी समाज को बदलने के लिए, अपनी कम्युनिटी को चेंज करने के लिए, उसमें बदलाव लाने के लिए अपने सपने को सच करने की सोचती है, अपने सपने को सच में बदलने का निर्णय लेती है। प्रिया started working tirelessly. She studies late in the night and waking up early in the morning. वो रोज रात में देर रात पढ़ती और सुबह जल्दी उठा करती थी। She sought guidance from her teachers and mentors, devouring the books and the resources on UPSC exam. She practiced answer writing, honed her analytical skills and stayed updated in current events also. In her preparation, Priya faced many challenges, many problems in her preparation. She struggled with certain subjects, doubting her abilities, and faced pressure from her family to pursue a more stable career for her future. She faced pressure from her family to choose a more stable career. But she preserved drawing motivation from her parents and her own determination. Finally, the day of UPSC results arrived. Then anyone, you know what happened? Priya's hard work paid off and she secured an impressive rank in that exam, and she was selected as an IAS officer and began her training. She began her training and was selected as an IAS officer. Priya worked diligently to implement all the policies and projects that would community and will benefit others also. She engaged with local leaders and listened to the concerns of the people and worked towards positive change. later, Priya became a active figure in her district, known for her integrity, compassion, and dedication for public service. She was known for her integration, compassion, and dedication to public service. She achieved her dream and made real differences in the lives of those around her. Priya's story inspired countless others to pursue their own aspirations, proving that determination and hard work, anything is possible. So once again, a big thanks to the host and to Javed sir, and one big thanks to you all for coming in this session. Thank you so much.